Hello everyone! I'm here again in my veranda area and time check it's 7:30 a.m. and the sun is so up in the sky. It's hot. I think it's summer already in the Philippines. So here in Silang, Cavite, Philippines, it feels like summer already. So if you would notice, I have fixed something here in my veranda area. So one table is empty and the other one I transferred the cactus and yeah, on the table. And it's because I have bought a new 4-layer rack, stainless, just the same as the first one that I have shared. So this is the first 4-layer rack that I've shared. So it's still empty, the fourth layer, and there are more space on the third layer. But I have decided to buy a new 4-layer rack. Why? Because it's still on sale. So, so Boodle is real. So I'm so happy that I was able to buy it on sale again because it was really amazing. This rack, this stainless rack, is amazing. Why? Because you can put lots of pots on it, and it's stainless, so it will not be rusty. Let's see on the rainy days if it's true that it's stainless. So it's very nice to look at because the pots are the same, though the sizes are not the same because some pots are small, some are medium size. So on the third layer, I have pots here, but they are not really uniform in color, especially because some are brown, some are black, some are circle, and some are rect square. Yeah. And on the fourth layer, I have here the last paw, but it's not, some parts are really empty. So I'm figuring out what to place on this rack to fill it up as well as the first rack that I have. So let's have a closer look on so the first layer, just like what I have said, is empty. So on the second layer, I have placed the succulent that was placed on the two tables before. So let's have a closer look. So we have here the dwarf jade, our Bianca, no, our missing you, jade, missing you, Ruby Donna. This one I'm not so sure of the ID, but this is our Japanese ruby. We have our Kite, our Benin Musme, which is very pretty and red in color. I have three pots, yeah. And this is our Mina, which is red before. Now the color is gone. This is our, I think this is Bianca. We have our jewel tone starting to show its red color. We have our Alba Beauty. Then at first, I thought this was Snow Bunny, but when I purchased a new Snow Bunny, I think this is not a Snow Bunny because this is the latest one that I have bought, the Snow Bunny from Just Sun, and it doesn't look the same at all, right? The farina of this one is much thicker. The leaves are rounded compared to this one. So I am wondering if it is Alba Beauty, but it's different also because this one is Alba Beauty. So I really don't know the ID for now. So this one is our pot pink, yeah. So look how colorful it is right now. So it really loves sunlight. So in front of the medium pot of black medium pot, I have a small pot of our pot. Then we have the Haworthia. We have the Bianca. This is missing you. Look, there's a leaf propagation there. This one is our Hercules. We have our dark eyes. We have our Bloody Maria. Look how red it is. So this one is the other succulent. I think it's the same with the first one that I showed you that I do not know the ID. Yeah. So this one is the Nishus. Then we have another Kisses that is trying to recover from Milibug infestation. Then we have our Titi, Missing You, and this one I do not know the ID too, so it looks the same with the one beside the other Titi, as well as this one, because I thought it was nobody, because far as I remember, it was the ID given to me by the seller, but it's not. So we have the Hera. So this is the first, second layer of this rock. Look like so pretty, nice, and organized to look at. Because the first layer is empty, so I'm showing you the second layer. So let's go to the third layer of the rock. So I have here my Firestorm, which is very pretty in color. It's orange but has red margin. In front of it is a smaller part of our Firestorm. Then we have our vi- Twin Violet. Yeah. Then this is our propagation of our Bianca. We have our Laon, our Tinkerbell, our Pink Puppet. Yeah. And this is our Bianca, our Tiffy, our Romeo Rubin. Yes, I placed here our Romeo Rubin, which is very red in color. I think she will like the location here. Our Beauty Lily. Then this is our Bianca. And this is another Beauty Lily. Then we have our Winter Jasmine, our Arze, our Cream Puff, which is so chubby. We have our Pink Tinkerbell, Variegated Phosphorus, and we have my propagation or cuttings of Pink Puppet. For this one, I do not know the IP. So this is my orange Mondo. So what I did is I placed together the two orange Mondo. Then we have our Hakoho, another Hakoho. Then we have our Nana Kokomini and our Chloe. This one, I forgot the ID guys, but it's violet in color. Then we have our Binefic. So this is how our third layer of our new stainless rock look like. Actually, they are already dehydrated, so I'm planning to water them later during late afternoon. Yeah. And on the fourth layer, we have my very last cheesecake and another pot of cheesecake. Then we have our four flesh iron cake. And this one, I don't know the ID, but it's getting better now because it was infested by fungus. So this is my sharing for today. My new rack again. So I have two stainless four-layer rack. So it's so pretty to look at, right? So let's visit the other four-layer rack before I end my video. So far they are fine. So our variegated apricot is fine. So it's not being get sunburned in spite of the summer time. It's summertime. So I have transferred the fly to the sky into a white pot so it would look nice together with the other one. So for this one and this one, which I do not know the ID, I bought this from Jasper because I'm planning to transfer it in one white pot soon. Yeah, because I'm quite busy. Yeah, but look, it's purplish in color, the inner part. So on the others, there's still an empty space then. On the other side, I have my variegated Mirini, which is okay so far. But quite dehydrated already. So this is my Mendoza. Yeah. There's one Mendoza that's not very needed. There's another one there. So, okay. So there. Quite dehydrated already. Then we have our Rococo, our hybrid lovely rose, which having a baby there. Our snow bunny, cream cheese, crispy beauty, hybrid monsters lovely rose. And for this one, we do not know the ID. This is our lemon, Roma, our orange Monroe. So it has moist look from the morning dew. Then this is our purple card, which is still dehydrated. And our neon breaker, we have our cat beauty, our Murasaki, our Arce, Oviparu, and our avocado cream. Missing you have starting to get the purplish color and Roman. So on the first there we have our Bainaces, Laurentis I mean, and we have our Amazing Grace, Crispy Beauty, Hercules, Psych, Agaboy, Blue Surprise, and we have our Laurentis. Then we have our Equivria XP. This one we do not know the ID. This is our Red Lantern, our Riga, Fantasy Carol. Then we have our, we do not know the ID, but this one got mushy. So every succulent that I bought from Just for Shoes and Susan Sun succulents are okay. Except for this one, which is trying to acclimate here in my area. And I got, I think, around 8 pieces of leaves that got mushy. So it becomes little or small. So we have our star boss, so pretty, our fire pillar, and our red witch. We have our red bullet, then our lipstick, our pine rose, and the pine rose, another pine rose. So they are so pretty. They are okay. So that's all my sharing for today. I'm just so excited to share with you my new rock. So that's why I make this video. So on my next vlog, watch out for it. I'm going to give an update on my succulents, maybe all of my succulents, how they are doing when the summertime is trying to approach or starting to get really more hotter. So we all know that I have restarted my succulents last January and I was able to finish it at the first week of February. So I want to give an update how they are coping up with summer. Yeah. So watch out for my next vlog. Bye bye. God bless us all and happy gardening everyone. I hope you like my sharing. And if you do like my sharing, please hit the like button and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives who are interested in this kind of video and planning to start collecting succulents. So I do recommend collecting succulents because they are so pretty and it's really my stress reliever. So bye bye. Bye for now. See you on my next video. And happy gardening. God bless us all. Enjoy your day, everyone.